mobile phone, digital camera, MP3, iPod, iPhone, etc. Charging current will be matched automatically. Built-in safety shutters protect users from the direct touch of the live parts on the socket outlet. Cover more than 150 countries. With US, EU, UK. All Tech Shop product backed by 1-year warranty. This charger adapter plug converts the power outlet only. It does not convert electrical output current and voltage. Dual USB ports DC 5V2.1 10 watts. Work with iPad, iPhone, Galaxy phones and laptop cameras. Indoor use only. Input 100 to 240 watts. Output 100 to 240 watts. 6A max. Tear off the plastic film from surface before use. Please find below description box as you get more details and link given below.
VFX footage.